Are you tired of the constant barrage of negativity? Learn how Stoicism, the ancient philosophy of resilience, can help you silence the haters, the Stoic way. First, control what you can control. Ever tried arguing with a storm? Exactly. Focus on your actions, not others' opinions. What truly matters is living virtuously, aligning your actions with reason and justice. Second, embrace amor fati, the love of fate. Life throws you lemons, Stoics make a lemon empire. Accept what is, and find opportunity within it. Haters gonna hate, but their words are just noise if you don't give them power. Third, practice negative visualization. What's worse than haters? Being unprepared for them. By imagining potential setbacks, you reduce their sting and build resilience. When insults come, they roll off you like water off a duck's back. Fourth, remember impermanence. Think your haters will matter in 100 years? Probably not. Everything is temporary, including the negativity directed your way. Don't let fleeting opinions dictate your long-term happiness. Fifth, seek wisdom, not praise. Chasing applause is a fool's game. True fulfillment comes from self-improvement and understanding the world. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself, and the haters' voices will fade into insignificance. So, there you have it. 5 Stoic strategies to silence the haters. Embrace control, accept fate, visualize negativity, remember impermanence, and seek wisdom. Become the master of your own mind, and let the haters' negativity fuel your ascent. The journey of Stoicism doesn't end here, it's a daily practice. Just as Marcus Aurelius pondered over his actions at night, we too must reflect and learn continuously. The true Stoic is a work in progress, constantly adapting and refining their inner world. In the quiet moments of introspection, remember to nurture your inner citadel, a place where external chaos cannot disturb your peace. This protective haven is built not with walls of stone, but with the pillars of reason, courage, and resilience.